Good day. The drive belt, also called the fan belt on your Mercedes W124 is making noise. Then let's watch that video. I will show you two ways of fixing it. Here we have the belt, and to get a good access I will have to remove this part. If you want to know how to do it, just look somewhere there. I'll place a link on the video, and once it's removed I'll be able to show you clearly what we're gonna do. We now have a much better view, and the noise is usually coming from the belt that is a bit loose. The problem is on Mercedes, it's automatic, the tension is always correct with those tensioners, okay? So in that case, what will it be? It would be either the belt or the pulley. So I will show you, if you have changed the pulley, then obviously you will know it's not that. Then it will be the belt, and I will show you how to fix that. So first, we're gonna check the pulley, we're gonna dismantle it, and we will check the bearing to see if they're okay. And then after we check the belt. With a spanner of 13, you're gonna remove that bolt, okay, to disconnect that tensioner. Now, using an Allen number 6, you'll place it inside where the pulley is, and you'll press it down. So what you will do, you will release, you see, the pressure on it, and you can remove the belt. Now, to remove the pulley, we just place that Allen again, but this time we'll loosen it on the other side, and then we'll remove it. I now have the pulley with me, and as I say, one of the cores that there's play inside. Okay, so mine doesn't, because I've changed it recently. So if yours has play, now you know how to change it. Okay, you take the new one, mount it back, and you do exactly the same but in reverse, and that's it. It's changed, and that's it. The noise is gone. Okay, now I'm gonna show you the other solution that come from the belt. So let me mount everything back together, and I'll show it to you now. To mount it back together, it's possible that you will have a problem with that part that won't reach the hole. So same thing, you just put the Allen key here, you place pressure, that will lift, and you'll be able to place it inside. The other solution is with a candle. Okay, so obviously maybe try this first instead of dismantling everything. Okay, so I've got a small one here. Okay, but if you got a longer one because you're scared that you'll have your fingers being caught, better. Okay, so what we'll do, we'll place that candle on the belt. So we'll run the engine and we'll apply this against the belt, and normally the noise is gone. Let me show you now. As you have seen, very easy, and if you do that, one or the two, then the noise will be completely gone. Okay, so it's a this one especially, it's a very quick trick, and it works wonders. Okay, and at the same time, you've learned how to change the pulley on the car. So best of things. Okay, so I will continue mounting everything back together and prepare a next video. Until then, see ya.